Hi, my name is Ali Atkins and I'm here in my home studio. Welcome to our new Arts and Creativity programme, Start Online. In this session, we are going to take a closer look at our personal possessions and consider what these possessions can say about us. Sometimes there's certain objects that we have and treasure that almost could act as a symbol as to the type of person we are. Now, a symbol, and a symbol that is used in art, is something that simply conveys meaning beyond what we just see on its surface. And lots of artists use objects as symbols in their artworks to convey a certain idea or a theme. So, what can we tell about a person by just looking at their possessions? Well, we might be able to understand about their personality, maybe their nationality, their age, their lifestyles, their hobbies. We all have a variety of objects which we treasure and mean something to us. So let me give you an example. This very wonky looking screwdriver. To me, it just represents my dad. Not just because he was a practical person and he often used screwdrivers to repair and mend things, but because it's been adapted to sort out a certain problem. And it reminds me of the creative and resourceful person he was. He could always sort out problems. He never gave up. So have a think, what objects best represent you or people close to you? Why not have a go at creating a portrait using just these possessions? Check out our Start Symbols PDF and give it a go. And please remember, share your work with us. We really do love to see what you come up with. Take care and see you next time.